Hi friends, it's me Rinu and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious Avil milk. 1 cup of chilled milk, 4 Mysore bananas, 1/3 cup of roasted and peeled groundnut, 1/3 cup of roasted beaten rice. You have to take the normal beaten rice and roast it without oil till it gets crispy. And 5 teaspoons of sugar. Now let's mash 2 bananas with a fork. Now let's add the milk, banana and sugar and blend it nicely. Now let's decorate the serving glass with caramel. So we have decorated the serving glass. Now let's add the roasted groundnuts, the beaten rice, add the smashed banana, beaten rice, groundnut, and add the milk. And add some beaten rice and groundnut on the top. Our Avil milk is ready. If you like this video, press the like button, share it and subscribe it, and thank you for watching.